Dear students of class 10th, today's schedule is national political parties. Today is 14th of August 2020. Dear students, national parties or political. Dear students, democracies that follow a federal system all over the world tend to have two kinds of political parties that are present in only one of the federal units and parties that are present in several or all units of the federation. This is the case in India as well. There are some countrywide parties which are called national parties. These parties have their units in various states, but by and large, all these units follow the same policies, programs, and strategy that is divided at the national level. Every party in the country has to register with the election commission. While the commission treats all parties equally, it offers some special facilities to large and established parties. These parties are given a unique symbol. Only the official candidates of that party can use that election symbol. Parties that get this privilege and some other special facilities are recognized by the election commission for this purpose. That is why these parties are called recognized political parties. The election commission has laid down detailed criteria of the proportion of votes and seats that our party must get in order to be a recognized party. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the legislative assembly of a state and wins at least two seats is recognized as a state party. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in four states and wins at least four seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. According to this classification, there were seven recognized national parties in the country in 2018. Let us learn something about each of these parties. First political party is AITC. It is an abbreviation. All India Trinamool Congress. All India Trinamool Congress, launched on January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee, she is presently the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Recognized as national party in 2016, the party's symbol is flowers and grass. Committed to secularism and federalism, he has been in power in West Bengal since 2011. Also has a presence in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, and Tripura. In the general elections held in 2014, it got 3.84% votes and won 34 seats, making it the fourth largest party in the Lok Sabha. Second, this was the first national political party. Second, BSP, it is abbreviation. That means Bahujan Samaj Party. Bahujan Samaj Party. Formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram, seeks to represent a secure power for the Bahujan Samaj which includes the Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs, and religious minorities, draws inspiration from the ideas and teachings of Sahu Maharaj, Mamta Pole, Priyar Ramaswamy, Nekar, and Baba Sahib Ambedkar stands for the cause of securing the interests and welfare of the Dalits and oppressed people. It has its main base in the state of Uttar Pradesh and substantial presence in neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and Punjab. Formed government in Uttar Pradesh several times by taking the support of different parties at different times. In the Lok Sabha election held in 2014, it polled about 4% votes but did not secure seat in Lok Sabha. Third party is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. Founded in 1980 by reviving the erstwhile Bharatiya Jana Sangh, formed by Shyam Prasad Mukherjee in 1951, wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values and Deen Dayal Upadhyay's ideas of integral humanism and Antyodhya, cultural nationalism or Hindutva is an important element in its conception of Indian nationhood and politics, wants full territorial and political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India, a uniform civil code for all people living in the country irrespective of religion, and ban on religious conversions. Its support base increased substantially in the 1990s, earlier limited to north and west and urban areas. The party expands its support in south, east, and northeast and to rural areas. Come to power in 1998 as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance (NDA), including several religion parties, emerged as the largest party with 282 members in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Currently leads the ruling NDA government at the center. Fourth party is CPI, Communist, COMMUNIST, Communist Party of India. Formed in 1925, believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism, and democracy, opposed to the forces of secessionism and communalism. Fifth party, CPIM. CPIM means Communist Party of India. Marxist. M means Marxist. Founded in 1964, believes in Marxism, Leninism, supports secularism, socialism, and democracy, and opposes imperialism and communalism. Now, sixth national political party. It is INC, Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress. Popularly known as the Congress Party, one of the oldest parties of the world, founded in 1885, and has experienced many splits, played a dominant role in Indian politics at the national and state level for several decades after India's independence. Under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, the party sought state parties. This was the national. This was the sixth national party. Now, the seventh, NCP, National Congress Party. Congress Party. Formed in 1999 following a split in the Congress Party, espoused democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice, and federalism. Wanted that high offices in government by confined to natural born citizens of the country. A major party in Maharashtra and has a significant presence in Meghalaya, Manipur, and Assam. A coalition partner in the state of Maharashtra in alliance with the Congress since 2004, a member of the United Progressive Alliance. Thank you.